Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Here on the rear of the boat, you've got a full-length transom sun pad, freshwater shower, Fusion stereo remote control, transom cooler. Coming on into the boat, this boat does have the wraparound seating for entertaining. The boat comes with a battery charger, a table mount so you can have a table in the rear cockpit. This boat does have the dual bucket seats with flip-up thigh rise bolsters. Here at the helm has the new Fusion Apollo digital dash, dual SIMRADs, which is also digital dash built in. This boat is going to come with a windlass anchor. Moving forward, you have full wraparound seats and flip-up armrest. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.